Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how you can achieve this amazingly bleached knot closure, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and continue watching.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay guys, so let's just get right into it. Today you'll be needing a closure. I'm using a 5x5 closure by Unice or Unice hair, whichever way you want to pronounce it. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. As you can see when I put it up to my skin, it's not my color at all. It's kind of, you can see the black, I'm kind of struggling here, but you can see the black dots whenever I come in closer. So the first thing I do is I go in with my Got To Be glue spray, the free spray, and I spray it on the front of the hair and kind of like the sides as well to kind of tame the flyaways so that when I'm bleaching the closure, it's not what's the word I'm looking for, it's not really going to bleach unwanted hair. Instead it will bleach the hairs that I want. So yeah. So these are the products you will be needing. You'll be needing the purple shampoo generic from the generic brand. You'll be needing 20 volume developer of any brand. You'll be needing some gloves because we're dealing with bleach and you don't want to damage your hands. You'll also need the bleaching bowl and a bleaching applicator or a dye applicator, I don't know what it's called. And then I use the bleaching powder by Quick Blue by L'Oreal, which is something I'm, used to by now. And one thing I did not show in this clip was you would probably need a comb or water spray and an eyelash or eyebrow brush. And you'll see why. So now we're dipping into the bleach. In this process I use 2 scoops of bleaching powder. With closures you want to do 2 to 3. With frontals you want to do like 4 to 5 or even 6 sometimes, depending on how big. It can be a 13x6, but in this case I'm doing 5x5, so I only used 2 scoops of the bleaching powder. And then we're going to go ahead and take our 20 volume developer. I use the 20 volume developer because I want to be able to watch my hair dye. The higher the number, the quicker the process. As you can see, I've gone 3, I believe. This is 4, 5, and this is 6. And I do a little at a time is the thing. So right now you can see me mixing the powder, but I'm still gonna go back in and actually add more because I add a little at a time, so I know when to stop. So y'all saw me do 6 before, and I'm still going to go back in because it's thick, but we don't want it this thick. So I'm gonna go back in.
Purchase your tracks today.
This is 7, 8, and then I'll still mix a little bit. See how it's kind of thinned out a little bit, but not too much. Y'all will kind of see that I continue to, like I stated, that I continue to add more developer, but just continue watching and y'all will kind of get the gist of it. I'll be back at the end.
Purchase your tracks today.
just kidding, I'm back. At this part, y'all should be able to. I know my arm is kind of blocking, so I would just move out the dang way. You always see what I'm doing, but dang. Anyways, so I'm being very gentle. See, I'm still adding developer, but I'm being very gentle, not to put so much pressure into the knots, but just to let it sit at the top where the knots are. So you don't want to push it too hard to where it seeps through the lace and bleaches your hair, if that makes sense.
Purple on the beats.
And I know at this point it looks like I'm going very fast, but I kind of sped up the clip so y'all kind of get the point. But y'all should be able to go very slow. Slow and steady always wins the race. That's my motto. Period.
Purchase your tracks today.
So this is the eyebrow brush and the water bottle I was talking about. So I kind of spray anywhere that I got bleach by accident, and I use the eyebrow brush to just scrape it out. Just scrape it. After I finish, scraping away all these mistakes that I made, you're gonna see me throw up my hands, throw up my signs. Just kidding. Just throw up. You're gonna see me throw up 10. I actually left this on, to be honest, more than 20 minutes. More like I left it on for like 40, to be honest, because I took a shower, got ready, did my makeup, everything. So it's just, you just have to watch it and see. And as you can see, the notches are bleached and all that. But okay, bye. I am so sorry. Again, my arms are in the way, but in this clip, I'm just rinsing off the bleach first before I go in with any shampoo or anything. I just rinse the bleach off first.
on the beats. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purple on the beats.
I go in with the second wash just to make sure that the bleaching is kind of, that I don't get a brassy effect. So I always try and wash my hair with the purple shampoo 2 to 3 times, just to make sure I don't get that brassy effect, because we don't do that brassy stuff around here, period.
Purple on the beats. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have reached the end of this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch my other videos. And stay tuned, join the family. See y'all. Bye.